Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my channel. Let's make this perfect pumpkin roll today. No, pumpkin season is not over. And no, it's never too much. Let's go. First off, line a baking sheet with parchment paper, leaving a few extra inches of paper on the sides of the sheet, and preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small mixing bowl, sift all-purpose flour, add baking powder and all these pumpkin pie spices, ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground cardamom and ground nutmeg. Add a little bit of salt and whisk it all to combine. In a separate bowl, add eggs at room temperature and brown sugar. Beat it on high speed until lighter in color and smooth. Then beat in a little bit of canola oil, add the pumpkin puree and mix until smooth. Pour the dry mixture into the wet and mix in until combined. Transfer the butter into your prepared baking sheet, spreading evenly. Then use a spatula to smooth it off. Put it in the oven and bake for 13–15 minutes. Meanwhile, dust a kitchen towel placed on some flat heat-proof surface with ice and sugar. When the cake is done, flip it onto the sugar towel. Be confident. Hop! Carefully but fast peel off the parchment paper and roll tightly enough. Then place the roll cake on a wire rack to cool completely. While the cake roll is cooling, we are making the cream cheese frosting. In a mixing bowl, add cream cheese, ice and sugar, orange zest, only the top orange layer of the peel you needed, and vanilla extract. Beat it together with a mixer until it's fluffy and smooth. Add cold whipping cream and beat again until smooth and thick cream. Once the cake roll is cooled completely, unroll it very carefully and gently spread the filling in an even layer over the cake. Then roll back the cake without the towel, cover with a few layers of plastic wrap, tightly enough, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. Then just cut edges and dust the top with ice and sugar. That's it, cut it, eat it and enjoy it. It's so beautiful and so perfect. Nothing extra, just the perfect autumn dessert. So tender. And so pumpkiny. Oh my god. This is so good. And cream cheese creates the perfect balance. You know what I'm going to say, right? You need it immediately. This is way better than just a mixing bowl, right?
Oh, it really is so much better. That is so tender. This is so good. I'm just speechless. This is amazing. This is tender. This is... I have no words. It's amazing. I can feel pumpkin. I like the cream. It's amazingly fresh and delicious. Amazing.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.